So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas and a light squeeze bottling of black paint, which does not look heavy enough at this point for what I have in mind. Usually I squeeze more out, so I'll just do that. Because I want to do a swipe that looks like reflections, or a swipe that satisfies my need for something colorful and fun to play with. But it would be nice if it looked like the reflections. These are wet paper towels cut into strips. Those can go over there. It's been a few days. It's been a little while since I did a wet paper towel swipe. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. I could spread it very thin if I wanted to. I want a wet coat, and I'm going to add some navy blue from Additives and probably some dioxazine purple that's a master's touch to the top and the bottom. Not only will it add a little bit of color, it'll add a little bit of moisture to what seems to be already drying out, because I have my fan going in here right now. Okay, how about a little bit of Prussian blue, a little bit of navy blue from Anita's, sky colors in my opinion, and some of this dioxazine purple. That's very bright, I'm surprised. So I might want to go from the outside in. I might want to taper them. That was more paint than I expected by far. But it's not going to matter because I'm going to swipe from the center out. So let's just turn this around. I have my turntable brake on, which is the screed from a, oh, what's the word? From a silk screening machine. So it's just a richer blue color than plain black. We can pretend it's Northern Lights if it makes somebody happy. I'm going to put a puddle of black down the center. Actually, it looks to me like I could go right across here. Well, if I do that, I lose some of the brilliance in the color, but brilliance in the color was never really part of the thought process. It was just changing up the black. Take all our paint. So we have some color. But if I pull it down toward the outside, it takes that black out of there and spreads the paint a little thinner. I'm just learning. Every single time I do this, I learn something new. So I try and do something that I'm inspired to do in the moment. I have some nice blue color, purple color there. Alright, I'm going to take that and wipe it off on my Lolafi silicone mat, because it makes some nice patterns. I've got others to back me up. I'm going to use my, no, I was going to use my Meeden black paint, but I think I'm going to use my Amsterdam black paint. And I'm going to use that after. Okay, so whatever I do, I need to do in two places at the same time. And this is a tall order. But I kind of feel like it would be nice to be able to do it. I just don't know if I can do it in the amount of time that I have left, since I spent so much time doing diddling around. And of course my orange may turn green. And what I really want to do in my head right now is just use my spatula to pull the colors down. I'm going to have to put a little white in there. Maybe Anita's white metallic. I'm trying to make a somewhat random seeming selection of colors. Oh, the pink will work. The pink Anita's white. It's white Anita's metallic with a little bit of pink in there, and it will look a lot like the white would. I might still put some white in there. Really like this to be random. Trying to make it all the same is really interesting. I don't want to even space them out too evenly, because that won't be, whoops. I guess that took care of that. For some reason I'm being called to a little something I hadn't planned on, which probably won't even show up. That's the Venetian blue. It'll be worth it, I hope. I hope it'll be worth it. I want to throw some copper. It's a Decor Americana 24, Decor metallic. And if I get enough of these dots on either side, then I know I'll have a good pull. And what's missing? Oh, the white. You know what? I'm going to use some Chantilly lace because it's bound to be sheer. It's a Prism Pour from Color Art. I tried to avoid using the pink, but I think I'm going to have to allow myself my pleasure. I don't know what white is going to show up. But I am going to throw some pink in there. It's going to be the pink diamond, which is another, what is that? That is an object. It does not belong. Yeah, a lot of pink. Not really what I had in mind, but that's okay. So here goes nothing. I'm going to try and take my largest paper towel piece. I've got two stuck together, and go out from the center. As soon as I put my it'd be really good if I went ahead and did what I was supposed to do and put the cell activator down. I'm going to put just one side down first. And I'm going to put that across the room on a silicone mat. And I'm going to think about what I've just done, because I'm not getting the reaction I was hoping for at all. So I'm going to take the black that was there already, and switch this all around. Use the same black line for both. Only I'm going to start from, this is short, so I'm going to start the long way. And I'm going to keep going with that. I'm not going to let it saturate as long in the black. Before I pull. And yeah, I am using the same paper towel. I'm just barely grazing the black before I hurry up and pull the colors down. And I think I'm going to use the end of this paper towel if I can. The only thing that I don't know what to do with is that. And nothing is moving. And all I can think of right now is that I might like to have a little more of everything that I put in there. Little bits at a time. Because I'm not super thrilled with the whole effect I got. So let's call them dots. And I'm not going to do them on both sides. Because I didn't actually mind the dots at first, before I pulled. And I'll fill in a couple where there aren't any colors. I'll just add a couple. I might drip them. I could skewer them, which is just to say pull the skewers across. I should have used some more orange, is my opinion right now. I could use a little gold. But I'm liking this is a it has a golden hour gold, which is very yellow. I don't think I used enough purple. This purple is the amethyst. Oops. Now, do I try and fill in across? I could do that. Let's see what happens. I don't think I have anything to lose. Just basically unevening things up. It's not making me super pleased yet. I do have some black in there. That's not doing anything for me at all. And I've got some some Artist Loft turquoise. Where is it? I should be, there it is. And maybe a little Decor Americana 24 karat gold. This is a fiery red from Arteza. And last but not least, I've got 2 minutes to make this work. And I might tip. That is my intention, actually. Because there's some heavy paint in the center. And you know what I've got? I've got my tool. It had a paint chip attached to it. So if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. I experiment a lot. I like that I can save the cells that are coming up now. I said I'd tip and I still want to. So check under the video for my link tree, where you're going to find my Amazon link with my 2 books on it, and Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups. Know that if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, and that will access over 2,200 videos. I like that a lot better than I did a minute ago. I'm going to use a torch to show you my direction. Yep, that fixed it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I post at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time most days. Slid it in extra the other day. My email address is a great way to reach me. If you have questions, you can ask me on the YouTube board, or you can email me. If you have questions about the purchase price of an artwork or taking a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I see that thing. What does it? Anyway, so on my link tree are Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Le Gallerist and Society 6. So if you've got Christmas shopping to do, I definitely recommend it. Well, I'm kind of sorry the first go-around with the paper towel didn't work, but I like this very much now. So, I guess I have no regrets for managing to pull it out at the last second again. Thank you guys for the donations. If you'd like to be in the monthly drawing, check out the exhibition video on the end screen in the last 20 seconds, and you'll see the prizes if you donate through PayPal. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery going, that's pretty cool. Thank you for joining me. I I love you.